Hey guys, I have a 202 Mercedes Benz E430. I'm making a video today just kind of see if I can help somebody that has the same problem with me. I live in Arizona and it is really hot here. Sometimes it's like 120 degrees. And when I go inside my car and turn the AC on, it only blowing cold on the passenger side, but on the driver's side, it's like total heat. It's really hot. So I brought my car to a Mercedes dealer, and they charged like $275 to get it inspected. And they told me that there is a SAM unit, which is it's a SAM unit. And also they told me that my fan control unit is also burned out. So I bought both parts and then brought it home and replaced them. The SAM control unit is right here. If you open this lid right here, there's a couple of screws right here, and then lift it up, and the SAM unit is underneath there. So I replaced that, and also the fan control unit is right here, behind here. So you can access that from going from underneath the bumper. I also replaced that. Nothing happened. The problem is the same. So I ended up vacuum all my refrigerant, and then pump more refrigerant in there. And then the thing that I found out, the thing that I learned is that this old model cars, if you go with the regular pressure, which is called for 30 on low side, then it's not gonna work. This old model takes at least 45 to 55 low pressure charge. So which I did that, and the AC seems run a little bit better. When you drive on the freeway, it works really good, but if you at the stop sign or something like that for like 2 minutes, then your AC start blowing hot air. So I later found out the reason why my car is been doing that, because the fan clutch is so old, and the purpose for the fan clutch is that when the heat kicks in, then the fan starts spinning a little faster than when it's idle. But my fan clutch didn't do that. It's like same speed all the time. So I went out and bought the fan clutch and replaced it. Here's the old fan clutch. And it worked. it's working perfectly now. So this, I'm just trying to share this video so that it could help somebody has the same problem like me. All right, thank you. You have a good day.